If your marketing stack has become a part-time job, juggling 5 dashboards, 10 tools, and a to-do list that never ends, you're not alone. Didn't we all get into marketing because it was supposed to be fun? The creative ideas, the storytelling, the what if we just try this moments. But somewhere along the way, we traded that for meetings, manual reports, and managing tools instead of making impact. In fact, despite a ton of automation tools on the market, 21% of marketers still complete most work manually, wasting an estimated 328 hours per year per team member on repetitive tasks like collecting data, updating spreadsheets, and building reports. That's why AI agents are stepping in, not to replace marketers, but to give us back the time to do the work we actually love. The question isn't, should you use AI? We're way past that now. It's which agents actually move the needle for marketing. So let's break it down. In this video, we're unpacking the AI agents that actually deliver results. I'll show you how marketers are using them right now to plan smarter, create faster, and measure what really makes impact. And because every team's world looks different, whether you're in product, content, demand gen, field, or social, I'll show you how these agents plug into these workflows that actually slow marketers down. So what even is an AI agent? It's not just another chatbot. An agent acts on its own. It sets goals, analyzes data, and takes action without waiting for your next prompt. Think of AI copilots as assistant drivers. They wait for you to steer. AI agents are more like self-driving cars. You tell them the destination, they plan the route, check the traffic, and there you are. No micromanaging required. In marketing terms, that means agents don't just help you think, they help you do. From drafting briefs to launching campaigns, all on autopilot. Let's be real, no marketer dreams of spending their day updating sites or moving briefs around. But somewhere between strategy and execution, that's what happens. AI agents connect the dots across your tool so ideas actually turn into something. In our recent AI benchmarking report, we found that teams that introduce AI agents into campaign planning saw launches happen up to 40% faster, and creative output grew significantly. But speed's only useful if it drives results, and that's where the right agent types come in. Every marketer feels that pain differently. Product marketers are stuck localizing and updating messaging decks. Content and social teams battle never-ending creative demands, and field marketers juggle timelines, assets, and regional requests. Even video teams spend more time planning than actually producing. So instead of one-size-fits-all AI, think of these agents as specialized teammates for each part of the marketing mix, helping you move faster, collaborate better, and stay creative. All right, enough theory. Let's get into the fun part, which is what these agents actually do. Because there isn't just one AI brain running the show. Instead of trying to cover all of them, I'm focusing on the ones that actually help marketers plan, create, and measure impact today. Ever sit in a brainstorm trying to find something new to test or launch? Experiment Ideation agents are your digital lab assistant. They spot friction points, analyze behavior, and suggest what to test next. Tools like Amplitude's Experiment Idea Generator, Google's Optimize AI Insights, or Optimize's Ideation agent helps keep ideas fresh, flowing, and they surface opportunities that you might otherwise miss. For product marketers, for example, that means new ways to validate messaging and positioning before launch. And for content or social teams, it means spotting trends and testing creative ideas way faster. So if you're running fewer than 2 tests a month, this kind of agent will help keep your pipeline full of new ideas and no more blank whiteboard panic every Monday morning. Once you've got the ideas, experiment planning agents handle the science. They set metrics, estimate sample sizes, and make sure results actually mean something. Platforms like StatSig, VWO, and Optimize's planning agents standardize testing so you can focus on creativity instead of formulas. If you're in growth or demand gen, this means less guesswork and more measurable impact. If your team spends more time debating how to test than actually doing it, this one's your shortcut to making disciplined experimentation backed by data, not guesswork. Variation development agents bridge the gap between ideas and implementation, like generating new page versions or UI variants automatically. Think Figma's AI assistant, Framer's copy generator, or Optimize's variation agent. Say you want to test a new CTA layout. The agent builds it, checks the brand rules, and even pushes it live before your dev team even finishes lunch. perfect for social and content marketers testing new visuals or digital teams running constant web experiments. This agent helps you test faster without cutting corners. Campaign manager agents are the strategists. They pull data, build full campaign briefs, and outline channels and assets. Think Writer's Campaign Builder, HubSpot's AI Planner, or Optimize's Campaign Manager agent. If you've ever spent more time planning campaigns than launching them, this is the agent for you. It gives campaign, field, and content teams a single view of who's doing what, where, and when without endless decks or sync calls. It replaces the where do we even start with here's the plan. Market research agents turn data chaos into clarity. There's great competitor messaging, analyze search trends, and summarize what your audience actually cares about. Some examples include Crayon for competitive intelligence, Answer the Public for search intent, and Optimize's market research for competitive insights agents or integrated insights. So whether you're shaping messaging, planning a campaign, or finding the next creative trend, these agents help you understand what's changing in your market before your competitors do. And a top tip from myself, run this agent before any major launch. It's your insurance against tone-deaf messaging or outdated assumptions. Industry marketer agents specialize in context. They adapt tone, stats, and language for each industry, so your healthcare content doesn't sound like it's written for a fintech startup. We're seeing versions of this across Adobe Sensei, Pasado, and Optimize's industry marketer agents. They're ideal when you need to scale relevance without cloning your team, so tailoring messaging for different audiences while keeping your voice consistent. This agent is a lifesaver for teams balancing multiple markets or verticals. Now, none of these agents work best solo. The real magic happens when they're connected, when your ideation agent feeds into your campaign agent and your research agent informs your personalization. That's where platforms like Optimize One come in. It acts like an orchestration layer so your agents talk to each other instead of working in silos. This moves you beyond everything working separately to a truly connected AI-powered marketing ecosystem. If you're wondering, well, where do I even start? Don't overthink it. Here's a simple 3-step framework that you can use. Step 1, start small. Pick one agent and one workflow. Maybe campaign planning or testing, just get it working before you scale. Step 2, connect your data, because the agent is only as smart as the context that you give it. And step 3, measure ROI. So track time saved, campaigns launched, or engagement lifted. The only way to prove AI works for your setup is to show the results that you can see and make sure you share it across the team. So start where your team feels the most friction. Maybe it's content production, maybe it's campaign planning. Either way, fix that bottleneck first and then scale what works. The next generation of agents will work like your colleagues. Your market research agent sparks a new campaign idea, your variation agent tests it automatically, your analytics agent reports it back in real time. Picture your social agent publishing content while your campaign agent adjusts spend overnight, all feeding insights into your analytics dashboard before you log on. That's not sci-fi, that's next quarter. So what are the best AI agents for B2B marketing? Honestly, there isn't one single winner. It depends on what you're solving for. Ideation, speed, insight, personalization, each one has its own hero agent. The key is using the right mix for your workflow, the ones that turn ideas into actual impact. If you'd like to dig deeper, check out the Optimize AI playbook. It's full of real examples and frameworks that you can steal today. And I'd love to hear from you. Which agent would make the biggest difference in your day-to-day right now? Drop it in the comments, and thank you for listening.